Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to place in your foundation walls. We'll use a couple different methods such as the Draw Foundation Wall tool and the Foundation Wall Wizard. Now on the EasyScape toolbar, the second tool down here, you'll see Draw Foundation Wall. I'll click on that and then I can just come down to the grid where I want to place the first corner and I'll click. Okay, and I'll move over a given distance. Let's go ahead and move over 45 feet and I'll click there, and then I want to come down. Let's go ahead and move down 35 feet and click there, and then I'm going to come over and move about 20 feet over. I'll click, and then I want to move up around 5 feet, click there, and then we'll move over 25, click there, and then I'll come up and go to the very starting point there, and I'll click again, and I'm done. So it automatically trimmed that when I crossed that line. It finished off the foundation just like that. Okay, now if I do a right click, that releases that tool completely from my cursor. Okay, now one thing that you'll notice here, that when I drew that wall in, that my cursor stayed with the grid, so it stayed exactly level with it. So it automatically defaults so that it only will do even number of feet increments, and it either does a perfectly horizontal line or a perfectly vertical line. Okay, now if I want to vary that, what we can do is we can turn off the grid point snap here, and that will allow me to get even number increments. It'll allow me to do fractional increments. Okay, also what we can do is if we want to do angular lines, we can go up here to the edit bar and we'll check the box that says lock unlock, and what that allows me to do is to do angular lines that do not follow the grid, like so. Alright, now let's go ahead and draw in the same structure using the Foundation Wall Wizard. We'll find this under the Draw menu. We'll go to Wizard and Foundation Walls. Okay, I'm going to skip the starting coordinate. The first line I'm going to do, and I'm going to start in the upper left corner of the structure. The first line I want to do is 30 feet long, and I want to move straight down, so I can either go at 270 degrees or I can just press S for south and click enter coordinate. Okay, so that does a 30-foot line moving straight down. Okay, now the next distance is going to be 25 feet, so I just put in 25, and this time I want to move straight to the right, so that is going to be east, so I just put in E and enter coordinate. Okay, now I need to move down 5 feet, so my distance is 5 feet, and I'm going to move south, so I put an S there, enter coordinate. Now I want to move over 20 feet, so I'll put in 20, and I'm going to be moving east, enter coordinate. Okay, now I want to go up 35 feet, so that's going to be north, so I put in and enter coordinate, and it finishes off that last angle for me, so I don't need to enter that last angle. So I'm finished here, so I just click finish, and it adds my new foundation structure there, so I can just grab it and drag it to the appropriate position. Okay, so I've just shown you a manual method of drawing in a foundation wall and a method using the Wall Wizard. Alright, next let's go ahead and move on and show you how to draw basic pavers.